Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a Holden VF SV6 Black Edition Commodore. It is a Series 2, and the stock reference number for this vehicle is 2955B. They ran from the 5th month 2013 and is still the current shape. It has a 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine with an engine code of LFX with a rear-wheel drive 6-speed manual transmission. 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine, LFX. The ID plate for these vehicles tell you the transmission engine code is that nice silver one there in behind the airbox. Find out all the information you need to know about your vehicle there, pretty much. This SV6 has a set of 18-inch Black Edition wheels. You'll notice there's black highlights over this vehicle, hence the Black Edition. Has a flash interior, we'll get to soon. Left-hand electric black door mirror. Both the left-hand doors appear to be in good condition. Good left-hand rear tail light. Suits sedan. Nice, tidy Black Edition rear bumper with parking sensors. A nice, clean right-hand rear tail light. Suits sedan. Got a boot lid in good condition. Suit a SV6 with a lip spoiler there, like the Black Edition. Both the right-hand doors appear to be in good condition. Right-hand electric door mirror, black. This Commodore is fitted with a black leather and suede interior with nice red stitching. It has power mirrors and power windows. Some nice factory Black Edition floor mats. Very nice bucket seats. Steering wheel. Instrument cluster. Factory sat-nav unit. AC and heater controls, 6-speed manual transmission, nice clean center console, nice clean glove box, interior mirror, roof console, passenger sun visor. At Total Parts Plus we have a real warranty which we uphold. We also ship parts Australia-wide daily. You can find us via our website, totalpartsplus.com.au, or our eBay store, Total Parts Plus One. We use social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to keep our customers and followers up to date with the new stock coming through daily. Or you're more than welcome to come on down to our Coopers Plains warehouse and say hello to one of our friendly sales staff. We'd like to thank you for watching our video today.